Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can...
Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm just here super quickly to do a very quick wig review with you, and I'm really excited about this launch. So the wig that I'm wearing just now, this is called Holly and the sheet is by Jon Renau. Now I'm wearing the shade 8RH14 called Mousse Cake, and honestly I just absolutely adore this. Now I'm excited about this launch for a couple of reasons. So we have some new styles from Jon Renau. There are 4 in the first part of this launch. They're all heat friendly fibre, which I love. Heat friendly fibre, slightly different care wise to your standard synthetic, but once you know how to work with it, oh my goodness, it is amazing. So this wig is called Holly. As you can see, I'll do a wee turn around and show you style wise. It's very kind of loose, deconstructed, almost kind of wave slash curl, just natural. It is really gorgeous with each of the lengths. I will pop the lengths in here for you guys so that you can see, but this is how she looks from the front. And then if we go side and turn around the back, see the movement, it is really, really gorgeous. Now, what I love with Holly is a fully hand-tied cap. Now we have this gorgeous lace front here that runs from temple to temple, so you can pull your hair back off your face there. You have a full mono top, so you can change that parting any way you so desire. If you like middle parting, side parting, whatever, zigzag, whatever you fancy. And it's a fully hand-tied cap. I will show you the inside of the cap. It is really gorgeous. It's average size. Now, what you do see with Holly, you have these kind of fringe bang type section at the front, which I just kind of swooped over, or obviously you could pull it fully side. If you want, you can wear it as an actual kind of fringe. You know, it's just really flattering, I think, to like so many face shapes, and it gives some added versatility to your kind of look. If you want to just have that kind of down more in front of your face, you can do so. You can chop it into a full fringe if you want to. I just really kind of like it as is. Sometimes I have worn this a few times. I will wear it kind of to the side. Other times I'll split it and have it more swoopy bang. But this is just gorgeous. Now, what I would say with Holly, she feels super duper lightweight, really, really lightweight, really gorgeous. If you want a bit of length but you don't want anything kind of in your way, this is just so beautiful. And it's kind of one of these wigs that can look totally casual, or you know, you can wear it going out and look like you've just added a wee bit of a wavy curl type thing to your hair. Really modern, really gorgeous. Honestly, I adore this. Now let's just show you the inside of the cap, because these caps are just phenomenal. We have the kind of temple to temple lace front. We have your full single monofilament welded top. We have your fully hand tied cap, and with the Jon Renau 360-degree stretch section. Now it is average size of cap. You have your extended nape with your Velcro adjusters. So actually, I had put them to how they come, but let's pop them. I'll tighten it back up. I usually kind of unloosen them when I'm putting my wigs away, but yeah, I always tighten them because I've actually got a petite head. And then we have the kind of velvet covered ear tabs here, with the metal stays inside, so you can just bend that, conform it to your head. This is the 8RH14 shade, which I just really love. It's very kind of natural mid brown. Yeah, really, really gorgeous with, well, light mid to light brown with kind of some lighter highlights through. I just think this is such a gorgeous style. She's so beautiful, so comfortable. Like this is one that I actually love because it feels so lightweight. You just don't really feel like you have anything on your head, and like there's not loads of permatease or anything like that, so it's not huge in volume. It's just very, very natural in appearance, which I just love, because people do not know it's a wig. People have said to me, like, people say a lot of the time they don't know people generally don't know I'm wearing a wig, but certainly this one, people have been like, I honestly think that just looks like that could be your hair. Yeah, just absolutely stunning, really gorgeous. Great job from Jon Renau. If you want to know, can you still tie it up lengthwise? Yes, you can. And this is where I think these wee kind of side parts here hanging down are so cute, really pretty, really beautiful. You can just shove it in your ponytail, put some clips in or whatever, and that just kind of softens everything up. That kind of longer fringe, I just really, really love that on wigs, and you're not like committed to wearing it as a full fringe. I know it's not for everybody, but I really, really love that, and I've got quite a lot of my wigs that I've actually cut kind of longer bangs, whether to kind of chin level or this kind of level, just because I do like to tie my wigs up as well. But it's just so beautiful, and really honestly I think for all ages it's just beautiful. John and Ro have done an amazing job. These fibres, honestly, if you like heat friendly and you're used to other heat friendly brands or whatever else, honestly these just feel gorgeous. Like, these are high quality, and this has been washed a few times. Obviously lengthwise this is great. It's not, I don't even have any of the kind of fraying on the ends or anything like that. But the amazing thing with heat friendly fibre, if you get that in a synthetic wig, it involves a lot of steaming to remove that. Get it in a heat friendly wig, all you need to do is get a heated tool, kind of like straighteners, tongs, or a hairdryer sort of thing, a bit of heat just to kind of redo that. So before I wear this, I will always use I'll give any of my synthetic wigs, especially your heat friendly ones, kind of from this level down, avoid the cap, but I always use my John & O HD Smooth Detangler, and it just prevents any of that kind of friction. But this is so gorgeous. I really am so very much in love with this wig. I really love Hollie. So this is Hollie from John & O in shades 8RH14. She is really beautiful, and the first part of the new HD launch for 2024 from John & O. So thank you, John & O, and guys, this is available at MIMO Wigs if you guys are interested. So I am going to go and get all these videos uploaded for the new styles that are coming. So very exciting. Take care, keep sparkling, be beautiful. See you guys soon with the next wig review. Mwah. Bye!
Flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.